to change country or region on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To change country or region on Android, you need to go ahead and open settings. Now scroll down. Locate additional settings option and select that. On this section, tap language and region. Here, under region, select region. And from this list of regions, you can easily scroll down, choose a particular one, and you can easily change it to that region. Also, you can tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in particular region. Let's say India. Tap on it and then you will successfully change country or region on Android device in this way. You can see here that the reason has already been set to India. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.